Hi, this is the NUBIA Neo 5G and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and here just find sound and vibration. Here we got ring, vibration or silent mode. Just select one from them. In ring mode you could use ring only, vibration when ringing, and vibration and then ringing. In silent mode you could also use auto multimedia volume. Just with the help of the switcher you could turn on or turn off this option. Here we got phone, message, notification, music, video game, and alarm volume panels. So just to change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side each of these white dots on each of the volume panels. We could switch default volume button control from medias to the phone ringtone. We could also activate and turn off the don't disturb mode to switch to silent or vibration, to use ring in silent mode, to change the ringtones, just sounds for the ringtone volumes, for the notification sounds, for the alarms, and all other system ringtones. Here we could also activate and turn off the DTS sounds, and we could activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and load sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screenshot, low battery reminder sounds, touch vibration, and ringtone fade-in option. So to activate and turn off all of the options, we should click on each of the switchers here. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our NUBIA Neo 5G. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.